what I like about this is you want to layer options. Listen, I have this in my hand, but I still have to make the decision to use it. So in other words, this weapon, I control this weapon, not the weapon controls me. Sometimes you think because you have this, you have to use it. It's not necessary. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. You can have the weapon and just start to work with the person. Sometimes it's good enough that you have it in your hand. It already makes you nervous, right? So see now if you can have the stick in your hand, and essentially what you're doing is you're learning how to work with just one arm. You're essentially not using this, right? How would it differ if it was a cup of coffee, right? Or your favorite cell phone or something, right? So you have lots of options. You can, when the grab comes, you can work with the stick, or you can work without it. And then later you'll start to see how to generate movements with the stick. Okay? Okay, hold on. Now you're going to move me here. Okay.